Just happened to notice the Anhinga over there on the bank. They usually don't hang around people like that.
They're usually out in the middle of the water.
Yeah. He must have just been in the water because his wings look all soaking wet. He must have just crawled out of the water.
It looks weird. It looks like a snake.
Yeah, those birds really do look weird.
It does surprise me he's on the edge like that.
Yeah, they usually find a place away from people.
I can't believe you didn't see that.
Yeah. If I got up, he'd probably fly away. Crazy looking bird. Anhinga.